Listen to me very closely because you have two choices when it comes to AI. You can either adopt it or you can get left behind. But here's the problem. With all the news coming out about AI, seemingly every new AI will be the next big thing that will take everyone to the next level.
Are you tired of working hard and not getting ahead? Do you dream of being financially free? Or have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could be your ticket to wealth and success? Well, wonder no more. Because in this video, we're going to unveil 7 AI tools that could potentially make you rich. Picture your bank account overflowing with royalties. These tools are not just for tech nerds. They're for anyone who wants to make more money, save time, and automate their business. Intrigued? Stick around because we're diving deep into these AI-powered possibilities. AI Predictor Pro. Our first AI tool is perfect for those of you interested in the stock market. Meet AI Predictor Pro. Have you ever missed out on a game-changing stock because you weren't sure if it would soar or tank? AI Predictor Pro uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, news, and even social media trends to predict stock movements with incredible accuracy. We're talking about the potential to multiply your investments like never before. Imagine you're a seasoned investor who's been skeptical about the stock market's unpredictability. You decide to give AI Predictor Pro a try, and within a few weeks, you notice your portfolio's performance skyrocketing. It's as if you have a crystal ball that foretells market trend. You're not just making gains, you're making smart gains. Right? Genius. Now, let's switch gears and talk about content creation. Do you struggle with writing engaging articles, marketing copy, or even the next great novel? Our next AI tool, Write Genius, is a game changer. Imagine this scenario. You're a budding author with a dream of becoming a best-selling novelist. You've spent months staring at a blank screen grappling with writer's block. Then you discover Write Genius. With a few simple prompts, it generates a captivating opening chapter for your novel. You're astounded by the creativity and quality of the content it produces. You know, have the foundation for a potential bestseller. But it's not just about novels. Let's say you run a content marketing agency. Your team often faces tight deadlines and struggles to produce high-quality blog posts. Write Genius steps in to help. With its AI-powered writing, your agency can churn out engaging content in record time. Your clients are delighted, and they're willing to pay top dollar for your services. But what if you're an aspiring screenwriter or filmmaker? Write Genius can assist in crafting compelling scripts and dialogues, potentially turning your creative vision into a blockbuster. The possibilities are endless. But before we move on to our next AI tool, here's a crucial question. Are you ready to discover how artificial intelligence can supercharge your advertising efforts and potentially boost your revenue to new heights? If so, stay tuned because Adoptimizer is up next, and it's a game changer you won't want to miss. Adoptimize it. Picture this scenario. You're the owner of a small e-commerce business, and you've been struggling to get the word out about your products. You've poured money into online ads, but it feels like you're throwing darts in the dark. That's when you discover Adoptimizer. This AI marvel uses advanced algorithms to analyze your target audience's behavior, track performance, and optimize your campaigns in real time. Suddenly, your ad spend becomes laser-focused, and your return on investment starts to skyrocket. You're making more sales while spending less on advertising. Now, let's say you're a marketing manager at a large corporation. You're responsible for managing multiple ad campaigns across various platforms. The sheer complexity of it all is overwhelming. Adoptimizer steps in as your digital marketing assistant. It sifts through mountains of data, making split-second decisions to allocate your budget where it matters most. Your campaigns become finely tuned and your boss applauds your marketing genius. Your company's revenue climbs to new heights and your career takes off. Virtual personal assistants. Imagine this. You're a busy professional juggling multiple meetings, emails, and deadlines. Your days are a chaotic blur and you often miss important tasks or appointments. Then, you adopt a virtual personal assistant powered by AI. This digital assistant manages your schedule, sends reminders, and even coordinates with your colleagues. Suddenly, your days become streamlined, and you have more time to focus on tasks that truly matter. Your increased productivity leads to recognition at work, potential promotions, and a substantial salary boost. A virtual personal assistant steps in to handle your emails, bookkeeping, and customer inquiries. In essence, a virtual personal assistant powered by AI can be your right-hand companion in the quest for productivity, efficiency, and success. Real estate genius. You've always been intrigued by real estate, but you've hesitated because it seems like such a complex and unpredictable field. Then, you discover Real Estate Genius. This AI powerhouse analyzes vast amounts of market data, property listings, and historical trends to help you make informed real estate investment decisions. You decide to invest in a few promising properties, and with Real Estate Genius's guidance, you make the right choices. Months later, you're collecting rent from multiple properties, and the value of your real estate portfolio is steadily appreciating. You've entered the world of passive income, and your net worth is growing steadily. Real Estate Genius has made it possible for you to become a real estate tycoon. In essence, Real Estate Genius can be your guiding star in the complex world of real estate. Stick around, because we're about to dive into the incredible impact of these last two AI tools that could change your life and your financial future. MedTech Marvel. You're a healthcare professional, dedicated to providing the best care to your patients, but diagnosing complex diseases often leaves you with uncertainty. Then, you integrate MedTech Marvel into your practice. This AI-driven diagnostic tool analyzes medical data, patient histories, and the latest research to provide highly accurate diagnosis. Suddenly, your patients receive quicker and more precise treatments, and your practice earns a reputation for excellence. Your patient base grows, and your income soars. But it's not just about healthcare professionals. In essence, MedTech Marvel has the potential to elevate healthcare outcomes and present unprecedented investment opportunity. AI Tutor. Picture this. You're a student, struggling with a challenging subject. Traditional classroom learning just isn't cutting it for you. Then, AI Tutor comes into play. This AI-powered tutor customizes your learning experience, adapting to your pace and style. You start acing your exams and stand out academically. Scholarships and opportunities pour in, paving the way for your higher education journey without the financial burden. But it's not just about students. Picture yourself as an investor in the edtech industry. Recognizing AI Tutor's potential, you invest in a startup developing this innovative tool. As the platform gains popularity, your investments skyrocket, and you become a part of the educational technology revolution, all while securing significant financial returns. In essence, AI Tutor is reshaping education and creating opportunities for financial growth. Well, there you have it, folks. 7 remarkable AI tools that have the potential to transform your life, boost your financial prospects, and unlock opportunities for wealth like never before. The future is bright and it's brimming with possibilities thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Which AI tool intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative and inspiring, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.